we will present the Congress of Vienna. We'll divide this presentation in three parts. The first part will deal with the situation in Europe before the Congress. Then, the second part consists in presenting the actor and the decisions of this Congress. And finally, the last part will present the result of the Congress in Europe. Napoleon got his power for the people who upheld the empire, and he also got it from a god. On December 284, Napoleon legitimized his imperial power with a ceremony at Notre-Dame de Paris, where he was consecrated by the Pope. Or, he consecrated himself, placing the crown on his head in front of the eyes of Pius VII. Evidence of obvious megalomania, but Napoleon wanted to prove the superiority of political power over temporal power. It was through his victory and military alliance that Napoleon Bonaparte succeeded in making the empire the dominant power of Europe, breaking the various coalitions that the sovereigns of Europe supported militarily or financially by England. On December 285, after the victory of Austerlitz, Napoleon set up his Napoleonic system. Napoleon organized the defending country by his grand army. Napoleon also put in place the civil code, the Declaration of the Rights of Man and Citizen, and the Constitution. He set up the Sister Republic. They are the country that the revolutionary France created in Holland and Italy between 1795 and 1799, during the Directory and the Consulate, after the French victory of the Austrians, who are the protector of Italian sovereigns. Discontent is growing in France, firstly because of the interminable war, the increase in tax, but also the defection of Catholics who criticized the imprisonment of the Pope. In April 1814, a new European coalition was formed and invaded France. Napoleon must abdicate and he is exiled to the island of Elba.
Let me introduce you what you've been waiting for, the Congress of Vienna. As it was explained before, it started after the end of the Empire. Indeed, the Congress opened its doors on September the 18th, 1814, gathering leaders and representatives of European great powers who defeated Napoleon. The aim of this Congress was to put an end to the conflicts in Europe by establishing a stable peace between all powers, but also in order to redraw the frontier of each country in the Europe at this time. During the Congress, France was represented by the Foreign Affairs Minister of Louis XVIII, Charles Maurice of Talleyrand. This politician had also been the Foreign Affairs Minister under Napoleon I during the Empire. There were many debates and disagreements between countries regarding the boundaries of borders. Talleyrand used his orator skills to divert the attention of participants away from France to keep as much territories as possible. That's partly the reason why great powers were in conflict.
Napoleon, who has been exiled to the island of Elba for 10 months, learned that the Congress of Vienna is taking place. On the 1st March 1815, Napoleon landed in France and arrived triumphantly on the 20th March at the Tuileries in Paris. Upon his return in France, the majority of the soldiers who have served under his command rallied again to his cause, and Napoleon quickly resumed control of the country. The powerful countries of the Congress of Vienna then allied themselves after the return of Napoleon and raised an army to defeat him. Napoleon had already assembled his army and did not prefer to wait for the Allied offensive. He then began to work on Belgium around the 10th June 1815. The great battle took place at Waterloo on 18 June 1815, and Napoleon, losing his last battle, had to surrender to his enemies. After his defeat at Waterloo, Napoleon was forced to abdicate in Paris on the 22 June 1815 and was exiled again on the island of Saint Helena, where he died later on 5 May 1821. The countries which have participated in the Congress of Vienna, and more specifically Autriche, Prussia and Russia, created after the Congress the Holy Covenant, in order to stop the potential ideas of revolution in European countries.